Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Nishitha. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Today's video is going to be look 3 using the Colourpop Brown Sugar palette. I've started a series where I wanted to take one palette and create 3 different looks with that. So this series is using the Colourpop Brown Sugar palette. I will link the other 2 looks that I've done in the description box down below for you guys. But for today, let's get started with this Bronzy Smoky Eye. The first transition shade I'm going to use is Amber, and on a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to put this pretty much everywhere in my crease. As you can see, I want this color to be diffused out almost up until my brow bone. So I'm going to slowly build on this color until I get the intensity that I want. And I'm also going to wing out the eyeshadow at the end. Then taking the shade Sorrel and using Morphe M504. And I'm going to mainly concentrate this color in my socket and outer V's. Since this is a darker color, you will see me, working with this very slowly. Because with darker colors, you always want to work a little bit at a time because they are usually a little bit difficult to blend out. So as you can see, I'm being really careful and mapping out where I want the most of the depth to the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go back into the first transition brush that I used with no additional product whatsoever, and I'm just going to diffuse out the edges. So the brown looks diffused out into the lighter transition color. Then for all over the lid, I'm taking the shade Auburn and I'm going to put this pretty much everywhere I left the lid bare. I'm going to slowly pack on this color and intensify it as I go. Once I lay down the color, I'm going to use the second transition brush, the Morphe M504, give a slight blend where the shimmery shadow ended. To deepen up the eyeshadow look even more, I'm going to go into the shade Henna. And I'm going to apply this very close to the lash line, just in the outer V of my eye. Then I'm taking this NYX brown gel liner and I'm going to tight line my eyes. So I'm going to add this even on my upper lash line and also on the waterline. Take a pencil brush and go into the shade Sorrel. And with the help of this eyeshadow, I'm going to diffuse out that eyeliner just to, add that smoky effect to the eye without having to do a lot. This gives beautiful smoky effect and it's very easy to do. You just apply the liner and then take a shadow and smudge it out. And to blend it out even more, I'm going to add some of that amber right underneath the first eyeshadow and eyeliner concoction. Then going into the shade Ginger and using this to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. First on my brow bone, I'm gonna apply this, then use my fingers to soften it out because I don't want it to be really intense. Then I'm gonna add some of these lashes from Eyelure and adding some mascara to merge my natural lashes with the false lashes. So that's the eye makeup. Now moving on to face, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronze up my skin. I'm going to add this on the hollows of my cheekbones and I'm also going to take that onto my jawline. I add bronzer to my jawline is to sculpt out the bottom half of my face even more. Then I'm going to pinch the sides of the brush and run the bronzer along the sides of my nose just to add some definition there so the nose just doesn't look flat. Then for blush, I'm taking my Essence Satin Touch blush and I'm going to slowly build up the color. And for highlight, I'm going to take the Milani Glow powder and apply that on the high points of my face. Then finishing off the whole makeup using some Flower Beauty setting spray. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the Sephora Rogue Gel Lip Liner in the shade A Little Rusty. And I'm going to first line my lips with this. Then also do a little bit of lip contouring. So I'm just going to add this on the edges of my lips wherever I have some darkness to cover. Then on top, I'm going to take the NYX lip lacquer. This is in the shade Sandalwood and I'm going to add this just on the centers of my lips and then just use my fingers to blend it out with the lip liner. So that completes this look 3 using the Colourpop Brown Sugar palette. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.